Hi guys, it is HardReset.Info channel and today I have Realme C67 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game not visible on your Google Play Store as in my situation. When you try find your game as Mobile Legends games and it isn't visible right now, to turn on it, to fix it we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store where we press on our photo on the right corner. Now settings and there family and parental control, which is on right now. To download game as Mobile Legends games, Call of Duty games or something like this, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control. Confirm by OK, and there tap on page 16, confirm by got it, and save. We can also turn off all our parental control by switch off. Now we can go back and try search something like Mobile Legends games, which is visible right now, and we can install it. That's all, thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!